Welcome to today's guide, where I will show you how to back up your chat history in the Viber app on your phone. This process ensures that your important conversations are safely stored and can be restored if you switch devices or reinstall the app. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Account. Once inside the account settings, tap on Viber Backup. Next, tap on Settings. Here, choose the Google account you want to use for Viber Backup. Then, tap on OK to confirm your selection. Finally, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. Viber will now save your chat history to the selected account, and this may take a few minutes depending on the size of your data. That's how you back up your chats in Viber. By following these simple actions, you ensure your conversations are safe and retrievable whenever you need them.